Welcome, and thank you for joining me in this 5-minute journey to gratitude. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, allowing your body to relax fully. Close your eyes if that feels right, and take a deep, gentle breath in, and a slow, soothing breath out. Feel your body begin to soften, allowing yourself to be fully present in this moment. As you continue to breathe, bring your attention to your heart. Picture a soft, glowing light beginning to expand within your chest, radiating warmth and love. Let's focus on a few simple affirmations, each one guiding you deeper into a state of gratitude. Repeat quietly in your mind or out loud if you like. I am grateful for this moment. I am grateful for this moment. Feel the power of those words, allowing them to fill your heart with peace and appreciation. I am grateful for the love that surrounds me. I am grateful for the love that surrounds me. Visualize this love wrapping around you like a comforting embrace, and let yourself feel how supported and cherished you are. I am grateful for my body and all it does for me. I am grateful for my body and all it does for me. Thank your body for carrying you through life, for being your home, your strength, and your foundation. Thank your body for carrying you through life, for being your home, your strength, and your foundation. I am grateful for the lessons I have learned. I am grateful for the lessons I have learned. Embrace every experience, knowing each one has shaped who you are and brought you to this moment. Finally, say to yourself, I am grateful for who I am becoming. Feel this affirmation anchoring you in a deep appreciation for yourself, just as you are, and for the beautiful journey ahead. Now take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine this light of gratitude radiating from your heart, filling every cell in your body with warmth, kindness, and joy. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to the space around you. Take one last slow, gentle breath and open your eyes, feeling renewed, uplifted, and grateful. Thank you for joining me in this moment of gratitude. May your heart carry this peace with you wherever you go.